Hey guys! Welcome to the Everything in Review channel, where we analyze and discuss everything you need to know about the most interesting products on the market. In today's video, we're going to talk about an amazing product called the Medicinal Garden Kit. If you are thinking about bringing a touch of nature and health to your yard, this kit could be just what you need. But before buying, it is essential that you watch this video. Let's explore together how this product works, why it could be the missing piece in your yard, and all the benefits it can bring to your life. Furthermore, let's give an important warning. Be careful and only access the company's official website to ensure you are purchasing the legitimate product. The link to the official website is in the description of this video. So, let's start. Let's talk about the creator of the Medicinal Garden Kit, Nicole Apelian. Nicole is a dedicated mother, herbalist, survival skills instructor, and biologist. She graduated with a degree in biology from McGill University and developed her herbal skills in the Kalahari Desert, where she lived for years with the San Bushmen, one of the oldest cultures on Earth. The San still live off what the land offers in terms of food and medicine, and many of them live well into old age without ever taking pills or visiting hospitals. At age 29, Nicole was diagnosed with multiple sclerosis, an incurable autoimmune disease that causes the immune system to attack the brain and spinal cord. She went through a lot of pain and was in a wheelchair most of the time. Western treatments prescribed by doctors have not provided much relief, so for the past 20 years, Nicole has been treating her multiple sclerosis using natural remedies that she grows in her own backyard. This approach transformed her life, allowing her to go from being in a wheelchair to being fully active. It's been a long time since she stepped foot in a pharmacy, as she has everything she needs in her own backyard for herself and her family. Nicole created the Medicinal Garden Kit with the goal of empowering others to take their health into their own hands, just like she does. Now, let's talk about what the Medicinal Garden Kit offers. This kit, as I said, was created to empower you to take care of your health naturally by growing your own medicinal garden in your backyard. You can transform your backyard into a colorful and vibrant medicinal garden. Imagine having your own natural pharmacy, ready to be used at any time, especially in emergency situations when pharmacies may be closed or inaccessible. The kit contains seeds of 10 herbs hand-selected from the best plants, ensuring you receive only premium quality seeds. You will find chicory, yarrow, California poppy, marshmallow, chamomile, evening primrose, feverfew, lavender, echinacea, and calendula. On the official website, you will find very detailed information about each of them. In addition to the seeds, the kit includes a free copy of the Herbal Medicinal Guide, From Seeds to Remedies. This detailed guide shows you how to transform these plants into different types of medicines, such as tinctures, ointments, poultices, decoctions, infusions, and essential oils. Even if you have never taken an herbal medicine before, this guide will make the entire process easier. With the Medicinal Garden Kit, you will have everything you need to start your journey into herbal medicine and ensure that your health is always in good hands, directly from your backyard, in addition to the fact that you will be a more self-sufficient person and prepared for the worst moments. All 10 of these healing plants make good companions for vegetables and fruit trees, but you can also plant them in your front yard if you wish. Most of the medicinal herbs found in the kit are perennials that die in winter and reappear in spring, or annuals with self-harvesting seeding that establish well after the first year. This way, your medicinal garden will continue to reappear year after year, without the need to replant it. With the kit, you are purchasing a backyard pharmacy for life. And here's great news about the Medicinal Garden Kit. It comes with a full 365-day money-back guarantee. Nicole Apelian is so confident in the quality and effectiveness of this kit that she is offering this guarantee so you can try it worry-free. But honestly, I bet you will never want a refund. The premium quality seeds and 10 medicinal plants you will grow will end up saving you a lot more money in the long run than what you are paying for them today. Imagine no longer needing to buy certain medicines or supplements, and have everything at your fingertips in your own backyard. So, take advantage of this incredible guarantee and start your journey with the Medicinal Garden Kit risk-free. The link to the official website is in the video description. Well, this video has come to an end. Thank you very much for watching our Medicinal Garden Kit review. I hope the information we share today helps you make an informed decision and that you have a great product experience. If you liked the video, don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel and activate the bell so you don't miss our next videos. I look forward to seeing you in our next videos. Until then, take good care of your new medicinal garden, and of course, take good care of your health.